Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to find stocks on Finviz. First, open your web browser and go to finviz.com. Once there, click on the Screener tab at the top of the page. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see various filter options divided into three main categories: descriptive, fundamental, and technical. Start by exploring the descriptive filters to narrow down your initial search based on criteria like market cap or industry. Now, let's dive into applying specific filters. Under the fundamental section, you can set criteria like a price/earnings ratio below 15 or a return on equity above 10%. For technical analysis, consider using the technical filters, perhaps looking for stocks trading above their 200-day moving average. Remember, combining several filters helps you pinpoint stocks that truly match your unique investment strategy. Once your filters are set, Finviz will display a list of stocks that meet your criteria. Take some time to review these results carefully. You can sort the list by different metrics, such as daily volume or year-to-date performance, to gain further insights. Clicking on any individual stock ticker will open a detailed page, providing comprehensive charts, news, and fundamental data for deeper analysis. For advanced users, Finviz allows you to save your custom screeners, making it easy to revisit your preferred settings without re-entering them. Also, don't forget to check out the groups and portfolio sections for broader market overviews and tracking your holdings. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals we've found for you. Happy screening!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.